In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Miro. By the end, you'll be able to place your text at just the right angle to suit your layouts, diagrams, and designs. First, sign into your Miro account and open the board where you want to work. You can do this in a web browser or the desktop app. Make sure you have edit access to the board so any changes you make will stick. If you're collaborating with a team, it's a good idea to zoom in a bit so you can clearly see the elements you're working with. Next, add your text. You can select the text tool from the toolbar, then click anywhere on the canvas and start typing. A quick shortcut is to simply double-click an empty spot on the board. Miro will create a text box for you automatically. Go ahead and type your content, and feel free to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment to match your design. Don't worry about the angle yet. We'll handle the rotation in a moment. Now, click once on the text box to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box around the text, along with small handles. This selection is important because rotation only appears when the object is active. If you accidentally click off the text, just click it again to reselect. With the text box selected, look for the rotation handle. It appears as a curved arrow icon, typically near the bottom left corner of the selected text box. If your board is zoomed out and you don't see it, zoom in slightly or reposition the canvas so the entire text box is clearly visible. If your text overlaps other objects, bring it into a clear area so the handle isn't obscured. To rotate, click and hold that curved arrow and drag your cursor left or right. As you drag, the text box and its contents rotate together. You'll see a small angle indicator while you rotate, which helps you find precise positions. If you want a clean straight angle, slowly guide it back to 0 or look for common angles like 90 and 180 degrees. For more control, keep your cursor a little farther from the center of the box as you drag. That gives you smoother, finer adjustments. A helpful tip: many designers hold shift while rotating to snap to neat increments, which can make alignment faster and more consistent. That's all it takes. Log in and open your board, add your text, select it, find the curved arrow and drag to set the exact angle you want. Practice a couple of rotations and you'll be placing labels, titles, and annotations at perfect angles in no time.